Let's unbox a meal planning service. Welcome to Reinvent Yourself, Healthy and Happy. I'm Tanya Phillips, your educator and coach.
Okay, I'm really excited. So I'm trying something new. This is from Vito and Vera, and there is, ooh, it looks delicious. So this is all plant-based, and wow. There are 3 different meals here. There's Shark Tank chicken, cheese fresh tacos, and something else I can't remember, so we'll have to check it out. Oh, that salad looks good. Okay, some tacos. Ooh, that looks delicious. Some chicken, fake chicken. That looks so good. Ooh. Okay, and I like, again, one of the things that I really like is when everything is recyclable. So she's got all of the stuff that it comes in, obviously, is able to be recycled. I love that. All right. I will tell you when I eat the meals and how they are. Again, I am not a plant-based eater, so this will be interesting. Look at that. Yum.
Ordering at Vito and Vera's was very easy. You put your order in Thursday by noon, and then you receive your food on Sunday. I love the fact that they have options for pickup as well from the Co-op, Ozark, Natural Foods, Arkansas Children's Hospital, and the Drug Emporium. That's pretty cool. The online ordering process was very simple. Click Add to Cart on the meals that you're interested in, then go to View Cart, and then it shows you your total. You put in your payment. As you see, the Shark Tank chicken came to $16.50, She's Fresh came to $15.35, and Tacos Every Day came to $13.50. For me, this is a little expensive, but at the same time, I understand that this was made by a professional chef and that it was made organically, that it is plant-based, and so I think that you kind of paid for what you get. This is a very nutritious meal and prepared by an actual local chef. So I think the price is reasonable overall. You'll notice that there's tax and then a delivery fee of $7. But if you're in our group, then she is waiving that $7 delivery fee. Thank you so much, Alicia. One of the things that I fell in love with about Vito and Vera is its owner, Alicia Watson. She's local, which I absolutely love. I like the idea of helping and promoting a local business owner, but I also fell in love with the idea that, like me, she didn't start in that career. She was actually an occupational therapist working with patients. And then she came across the idea that food is medicine and was really intrigued by that and started going to culinary school. I think that is so cool. She is focused on culinary wellness and plant based cuisine. She also won the big restaurant bet on the Food Network, so you know she's a good chef. So let's dive in. Meal number 1 of 3 was the Shark Tank chicken. I love that on the website they provide the ingredients. That way, if you're allergic to something or don't like something, you know what's inside of the food. And then I also like that Vito's and Vera's tries to use organic and sustainable ingredients whenever possible. There is very little meal prep or cook required. Just heat up some of the ingredients and it's ready to go. I love that. I was very impressed with the amount of food that came with this order. I don't know if you can tell from that picture, but that sandwich is huge. I've added a picture of my son trying to stuff it in his mouth because it almost breaks your jaws. It's that big. This Shark Tank chicken was delicious. I can't say that I was fooled into believing that it was real chicken, but the taste was absolutely amazing. I'm not sure what seasonings Alicia uses, but I wish she cooked all of my meals. This was amazing. Next up, meal number 2 of 3, She's Fresh. This is seared tip gyros with dairy-free tzatziki. When looking at the ingredients online, I found that this meal actually shows the nutritional facts. In my line of work, that's very important. I try to help my clients stay within a certain calorie range and macronutrient range. And so it was very nice to see that information. Alicia did mention that she is going to be adding that to all of her meals. So that's great. Just put the meat substitute in the microwave for a few seconds, warm it up. And I don't know if you can tell from this picture, but it looked like real meat. I was very impressed. And if you hadn't told me, I just by looking at this, I would have thought that was real steak. There was plenty of food here, and I was sufficiently full after eating this meal. And I gotta say, it tasted good too. Meal number 3 of 3 is tacos every day. Of course, I ate this on Tuesday because we all know that, you know, Taco Tuesday. Again, Alicia has all of the ingredients listed. Again, very little prep work or cooking required. Just heat up the meat substitute and the rice. There was plenty of food here. Again, I was full after eating this meal. And this was delicious. You could have tricked me into believing that that was real meat and that I just ate a real meat taco. It tasted amazing. I don't know how Alicia does it, but the seasonings she uses are phenomenal. So, the overall grade, I gave it 3 check marks for ordering, super easy process. The price was a little bit much for me, but I understand that this was made organically, plant based, and by a professional local chef. Then the ingredients, amazing. Everything is organic, sustainable, and fresh. The prep and cook work, my favorite. I give it extra stars for that one, or check marks for that one, because I didn't have to do anything. There was plenty of food. I felt full after every meal. And then the taste was amazing. Again, as I said, I would hire Alicia to be my private chef every day. And I would totally get over the fact that it's all plant based food because it tasted delicious. My overall grade was a 17 out of 18, but I'm going to bump that up to an A plus because overall this experience was very easy and the food was delicious. I didn't have to prep or cook anything. It was all right there for me, already done and amazing. And as a bonus, I didn't have to worry about cancellation. You order the meals as you want them. Thanks for watching me unbox Vito and Vera's. I hope you enjoyed this unveiling or unboxing and watch for more. Make sure to like and subscribe and make sure to go and support Vito and Vera's. It was great.